Hello everyone, my name is Rishita. Today I'm going to show you how to search a job. Okay, so now this is a Google browser. Type mangalamjobs.com. Okay, so the page will open. So now you click login option. You will have to log in by putting your email address. Okay, so you will receive OTP. I'll put it my own email address and click get OTP. Type the OTP on the spell provided. It's 747518. Okay, a new page is open here. Okay, so you will find a four option like play quiz, profile, search jobs and expert. Okay, so I'll explain you one by one. First option, it would be a play quiz. So click play quiz. There is labels. Okay, start quiz. Click to start quiz. Into that, on various topics, for example, like foreign company, winding up, there is many options. You can see here government company, director, introduction, basics, producer company, like that. Okay, there are lots of options you can choose, and one by one you can solve the question. Okay, there is a play quiz option. Okay, again I'll going to back. The second option, it would be a profile. Into that you can like updates overall profile. Okay, you can see here there is my personal details. I already updated like name, contact number, date of birth, expected CTC, current location and address, key scale, like that. Okay, first you have to updated your Word and PDF format resume. Then after that you can put all the details, whatever I'll told you that. Save and continue. There is a profile option. Okay, again I'm going to back. The third option, it would be a search job. Okay, so now you can see here on right side like four options will be there, like finance job, legal jobs, compliance and secretarial job, marketing jobs, like that. You can search job as per your requirement. Like apart from this you can search job as per designation or locations also. I'll show you. If the designation, it would be accountant, for example. Location will be Mumbai and experience would be a 1 or 2 years. Now click search. Okay, so you will find various job available as per your need. You can see here total 1257 total jobs. You can see here as per your need. Okay, so here it is how we can search a job. Now I'm again going to back, and last option I will explain you. Yeah, the last one is expert. Now click to expert. This option for like you want ask about your personal, professional or career regarding, you can put it in and one of the expert get in touch with you. Okay. For example, my name is Rushita. You can put your name, email address, phone number and query whatever you want to ask to the expert. Okay. And then submit. There is a process to ask to expert to our queries. So here we can play quiz like update our profile and like searching a job and like queries to solve. So there is process. So thank you so much guys for watching.